The American courtroom combines one of the most bureaucratic institutions on the face of the planet with a daily dosage of drooling idiots. Even the players in the worst football dives video would be jealous of this woman and her injury-faking skills.
Thank you. The next speaker is Marvin Clayton. Wait. You hit it right in his eye. She hit it right in the eye. Okay.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an aspiring writer and a playwright. I do poetry and whatnot.
Aspiring, translation, making no money at it. What do you do for a living?
I does hair.
You do hair. You do all right with doing the hair?
Yes, I does.
Well, see, I know you. When you fit into a pattern, look at you. He's doing girl stuff.
Listen, just shut up.
I know, shut up.
Yeah.
That's excuse me, fool.
You ain't even trying to listen to me,
Excuse me, foolish one.
You not even trying to listen to me,
You
man.
don't have, I am. Arrest him. Take him under the arrest.
MIT professor Noam Chomsky has deemed this video the most influential scientific work in the 21st century. Prepare to rack your brains.
You negligently ruined her iPhone. You have to pay for that. It's as simple as that. This is not rocket science. What is rocket science?
Rocket science is when the scientists find out things about space. I think.
I don't know how you were raised, but peeing in a trash can in a state district courtroom is inappropriate behavior.
And refer to Division 51. Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, ma'am. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again.
What's up?
I believe I heard you saying to...
Yes, I did. I'm not going to the...
I believe you... Did you say...
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in
gonna lie.
direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have a friend who's likely to end up in court one day, you might just need to share this video with them.